AI can do lots of things to streamline your sales routine, like checking your grammar, writing or rewriting sales and marketing copies. It's a very convenient asset in B2B prospecting efforts. In this video, we will show you how to use one very powerful AI assistant to make your sales routine streamlined. This assistant is called Scandalist, and it works together with Closely, all-in-one prospecting platform. Scandalist is there to generate hundreds of sales and marketing copies based on the data you provide to it. It has the power to simplify your life and craft engaging content, such as blog posts, LinkedIn messages for connecting with professionals, or emails destined for potential partners. What sets it apart is its ability to analyze the data you supply. All the copies will include personalization, meaning they will refer to your potential customers by name and also can mention their companies, jobs, or any other personal things to make an impression that you understand who you are talking to. Using this information, it generates top-notch content of the highest quality and make an impression that you understand who you are talking to. Scandalist can make a formal copy or write in other styles if you want. Every sales rep understands the importance of a clearly written message or deck. If you are loaded with tasks, sometimes it becomes hard to create a good pitch. That's where an AI writer can do the job for you. By testing your copywrites on different audiences, you can see what impact they have. To start working in Scandalist, you will need to go to LinkedIn and make an audience search. You also need to install this extension. Once your search is ready, the extension will find emails and save them to a list. This list will be saved in Scandalist. Upon finishing with this, you can start the generation of your first copy. Create a profile, put in a short info on your company, what it does, who is the target audience, what makes your product better than competitors. In other words, why your target audience should buy from you. Then you put in your name and job title. Once ready, you can ask Scandalist to write an email or anything from this list. Scandalist can also create product descriptions, blog posts, headlines, and even Instagram captions. However, it's important to note that I'm sharing the simplest approach to using Scandalist. Its ability to produce high-quality content extends far beyond this method. Scandalist does great on its own, but it's even more useful when paired with Closely. Here's how it works. Basically, you don't need any other tools to enhance your prospecting capabilities. Scandalist and Closely are the symbiote that gives you the bigger number of opportunities to engage prospects massively and with human-based approach. Scanlist's abilities goes beyond simple sales copy generation. It can write simple and sophisticated product descriptions, pitches, and catchy messages. Have questions? Our product team will guide you through. It's so cool that you have decided to navigate B2B waters along with our products. Stay tuned.